Hello viewers, welcome to the live by Mangatrai Jewels located at row number 36 near Peddamma Temple, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. With the auspicious festival of Varalakshmi Vratam around the corner, we are here to showcase our exquisite collection of Nakshi and Kundan jewelry with intricate design and antique finish. This makes a perfect choice for all your traditional functions. Let's have a look at all the pieces one by one. The first piece is a beautiful Kasu Mala. It has a Lakshmi Devi locket in the center and intricate peacock motifs all over the mala. It has a combination of green stones and green hangings with pearls. This particular Kasu Mala is priced at 5,95,000. The second piece is a delicate Nakshi necklace. It has a beautiful Radha Krishna in the center. It has a combination of red stones and green stones. With pearl hangings, it is very reasonably priced at 2,60,000. The third one is a mango haram. It has mangoes all over and a two-side beautiful peacock in the center in the locket with an uncut diamond in the center. It has a mix of green stone hangings and pearl hangings. This particular haram is priced at 13,20,000. Perfect for all your traditional functions and festivals. The next piece is a graceful Kanthi style necklace. As you can see, it has a big locket in the center with a combination of emerald bead hangings and red stones in the center. This piece is priced at 9,35,000. This is a beautiful Battu Mala. It has a very antique finish, looks graceful with traditional wear. This can be worn as a haram and also a vadyanam. You can use it multiple ways. It has a Lakshmi Devi locket in the center with red stones and an alternate of peacocks and flowers. It has a combination of green stones and red stones. This piece is priced at 9,10,000. Here's another antique Nakshi Kanthi style necklace. It has red flower stones in the necklace. And it is a mix of pearl hangings with coral beads. It's a Lakshmi Devi locket in the center. This piece is very reasonably priced at around 3,80,000. It's a very beautiful different style necklace. The next piece is again a mango harem. It has mangoes all over the harem with a combination of red stones and green stones. There's a locket in the center. It has peacock on the left and right and a flower motif in between. It also has gold ball hangings, which gives a very different look to the mango harem. This piece is priced at 12,60,000. Here is a Kasu mala. It has a beautiful intricate design of Krishna in the center with two elephants on the top of it and a coral bead in between, with pearl hangings and green stone hangings. Looks very beautiful and graceful. For a different look, it has coral flowers on both the sides. As you can see this, it gives a very different look to the harem. This piece is priced at 6,45,000. This is a new collection for Nakshi jewelry. Any piece that you like, you can share a screenshot to us. You can WhatsApp us on 83950 99000 or 8377 966 000. This is our new collection for the Varalakshmi Vratam. Let's look at all the pieces one by one again. You can share a screenshot with us if you like anything or if you have any queries. So the first one is a beautiful Kasu mala priced at 5,95,000. Perfect for your traditional occasions. Can be worn for the occasion of Peli Kutru as well. The second one is a delicate Nakshi necklace with beautiful carving of Radha Krishna in the center with pearl hangings and green stone hangings. This is very reasonably priced at 2,60,000. The next one is this mango harem with a combination of pearls, red stones and green stones. Priced at 13,20,000. Here's the Kanthi style necklace. Gives a heavy look. It has a beautiful Kundan locket in center. This is priced at 9,35,000. The fifth piece is a Battu mala. As told, this can be worn as a Vadyanam and also as a harem. It has an alternate of peacocks and flowers. priced at 9,10,000. The next piece has an antique finish. It's a Kanthi style necklace with red stones. It has coral and pearl hangings and a Lakshmi Devi locket in center. Priced at 3,80,000. Very reasonably priced. Again, here's a mango haram with mangoes all over the haram, with a combination of pearls, red stones and green stones. There is a flower in the center and peacocks on both its sides. For a different look, it has a golden balls at the bottom. Priced at 12,60,000. The last piece that we have here is again a Kasumala. The locket is very beautiful with a Krishna in the center, a coral bead on the top and with elephant motifs. It has pearl hangings. For a different look, it has coral flowers. And this piece is priced at 6,45,000. Thank you for joining our live. Any piece that you like or you would want to buy, you can please contact us on the following numbers: 83950 99000 and 8377 966 Thank you.